In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Students, we are going to start here. The product of resistance and capacitance is equal to time constant, I mean T, and the resistance, the unit of the resistance is ohm, and the unit of the capacitance is farad, and is equal to second. So that's a very important short question, and we will prove this relation here. So that's proof. According to Ohm's law, students, V is equal to IR. That's the Ohm's law, and R is equal to V over I. Let's suppose it is the equation number 1. Students, look at again here. Students, we are proving the product of R into C is equal to time constant is equal to T, and ohm into farad is equal to second. So it's very important short question of chapter number 12 of part 2 physics. Students, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR and R is equal to V over I, and we also know that I is equal to Q over T. So putting this value in equation number 1, we get R is equal to V divided by Q by T. So students, it is fraction by fraction, and it is shifted upward, and we get, after simplification, we get Vt over Q. R is equal to Vt over Q. So let's suppose it's another equation, I mean equation number 2. Students, look at again, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR and R is equal to V over I, and the value of the current is there, I is equal to Q by T. Putting this value Q by T, and it is shifted upward. So T shifted upward, I mean we get a simplified form, R is equal to Vt over Q, and equation number 2. And in case of capacitor, we know this relation, Q is equal to CV. We already know this relation. In case of capacitor, Q is equal to CV, and C is equal to Q over V, and it's another equation, I mean equation number 3. Q is equal to CV, C is equal to Q by V. So it is equal to Q by V, students. And now you just multiply equation 2 and 3, multiplying equations 2 and 3, and we all know the left hand side is multiplied by left hand side and right side is multiplied by right hand side. So we get R into C is equal to Vt over Q into Q over V. So Q is cancelled by this, V is cancelled by this, and we get R into C is equal to time constant R. The unit of the resistance is ohm, the unit of the capacitance is farad, and the unit of the time is second. So students, look at again here. It's very important short question. R into the product of R into C is equal to time constant T, and ohm into farad is equal to second. We prove this relation. We will prove this relation according to Ohm's law. We know that V is equal to IR and R is equal to V over I, and I is equal to current is equal to Q by T. So putting this value of I in that equation, R is equal to V over Q by T. So T is shifted upward. So R is equal to Vt over Q. So that's the equation number 2. And we also know that in case of capacitor, Q is equal to CV, C is equal to Q by V. So you just multiply equation 2 and 3. Left hand side is multiplied by left side and right side is multiplied by right side. R into C is equal to Vt over Q, Q into V, Q is cancelled, and we get R into C is equal to time constant. The unit of the resistance is ohm, the unit of the capacitance is farad, and time is second. So students, in that way we have proved this very important relation, and students, next time we will discuss more things. Thank you all students.